Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to refer a friend on TesterUp using an app. Now let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the TesterUp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see a profile, icon or menu. Or if you don't see it, simply tap on setting. Now look for refer a friend, invite friend or referral. Tap on it to open the page. On the referral page, you will see your unique link or code. This link is special. It connects new users directly to your account. Tap share or copy link. You can send your link to friends through WhatsApp, iMessage, Facebook, email, or via any social media app. Tell your friends to sign up using a link. Once your friend joins TesterUp using your link and start completing tasks, you will earn a referral reward depending on TesterUp's rule. And that's it. Always make sure your friends use your link when signing up. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.